Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 ProMaster City Cargo Van Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low back bucket seats, wheels, 16-inch x 6.5 inches silver steel, STD, daytime running headlamps, quick order package 24C Tradesman cargo van included, engine 2.4 Li4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic supplemental side curtain front airbags, upfit interface connector, bright white, park sense rear park assist system, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, and speed control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.